and this car is going for 12.5 million naira to negotiate, and this car is going for 13.8 million naira to negotiate.
The prices of these cars are very affordable and negotiable.
And this car is going for 14.5 million naira to negotiate.
Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of car you're looking for, and I'll make a video about it just for you.
And this car is going for 16 million naira to negotiate.
Wait, don't make any payment for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspections and test drive. Today we are here at Delight Automobile to check out the prices of affordable foreign used car for you to buy.
My name is Chamaka. Welcome to Delight Automobile.
What will you advise people to watch out for when buying a foreign used car and a Nigerian fairly used car?
What I would advise people to watch out is the body and the engine. Engine most especially, because a car that doesn't have a good engine, you become friends with the mechanic. Then before we look at the outer body and the interior. For Nigeria use,
like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
I don't do much on Nigeria use, but when buying Nigeria use, you also have to watch out for the engine and watch out very well, because we don't have good roads in Nigeria, so we need good cars that will enable us to walk through it, and also you have your own comfort, because when you want to get the car, you are seeking for comfort.
So watch this video to the end, make a choice, and call the phone number inside this video to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation.
This is a foreign used Toyota Corolla 2020 model. This is a navy blue, and this car is first body buy and drive. There is no work to be done on it. This is the engine. It's a 4-plug engine. The battery capacity is very strong. Oh my, I love the interior. This is a black with ash interior mixed together. This is fabulous. And this is the dashboard, and it has a combination of black and silver. This is the DVD. This is the sound system, automatic transmission, 2-cup holder, pigeonhole, and the button in the steering control is working. This car is the fullest option 2020 model. Don't miss it, guys. And there's a sealed roof. I love this car. Oh my, this is it. It has 3 headrests, and this is it, very clean. I love the combination. The Toyota Corolla LE 2020 model, and this car is going for 32 million naira to negotiate.
Name 3 cars you will advise people to buy today and why.
Me, I love Toyota brand. I prefer Toyota Camry, Lexus, Tacoma, anything that has to do with Toyota products. I'm a lover of it.
So why do you prefer these cars?
Because they are very strong and reliable. This is a foreign used Toyota Venza 2012 model. This is the engine. It's a V6 engine, 2GR. This is the interior of this car. As you can see, the interior is very clean, and this is the dashboard, extremely very clean. This is the DVD. This is the AC vent, and this is the automatic transmission, 2-cup holders, pigeonhole. The button, the steering control is working perfectly, and there's a sealed roof. This is the back seat view. This is it. It has a 3 headrests. This is the AC vent. XLE Toyota Venza, the white color, first body buy and drive, and this car is going for 21 million naira to negotiate.
Name 1 car you will not advise anyone to buy today and why.
I don't think I have any car that will advise anybody not to buy. Every car is unique in their own way. As far as you put in your knowledge to create something, it's good. I love it. Toyota Camry 2015 model, white color, first body buy and drive. This is the engine, and this is a 4-plug engine. Oh my, this is a beautiful interior. It's ash interior, and this is it. It's a black dashboard, AC vent, DVD, sound system, automatic transmission, 2-cup holders, pigeonhole. This is the button, the steering control working. There's a sealed roof. This is it. This is a back view. This is the 3 headrests, and this is the very clean 2015 model LE version and first body, and I'm giving you this car for 17.5 million naira to negotiate.
Do you swap cars?
No, I don't. This is a foreign used Toyota Camry, black color, 2013 model. This is the engine. The engine capacity is very strong. It's a 2GR V6 engine. This is the beautiful interior of this car. It's milk interior. And this car is extremely very clean. This is the dashboard. This is the AC vent. This is the DVD, automatic transmission, 2-cup holders, and this is the pigeonhole. The button in the steering control is working perfectly okay. And this is an open roof. This This is the backseat view. This car is so clean. This is the AC vent, XLOE, and this car is very clean. It's fullest option, and this car here is 17.5 million naira to negotiate.
Where do you get your cars from?
I get my car from US, Japan, Korea, and different other countries, etc. Foreign used Toyota RAV4 2011 model, grey color, first body buy and drive. This is the engine. It's a V6 engine 2GR. This is a beautiful interior. This is a black interior, and this is it. Black dashboard, and this is the AC vent. This is the DVD, sound system, automatic transmission, the pigeonhole, and there's two cup holders. And this button in the steering control is working perfectly okay. It's an open roof. This is it. This is the back view, very clean. It has a 3 headrests. This car is very clean. It's extremely very clean. 2011 model, first body buy and drive, and I'm giving you this car for 17 million naira to negotiate.
Do you rent cars?
No, we don't rent cars. There's a foreign used Toyota RAV4 2010 model. This is the engine. It's a 2GR V6 engine. The battery capacity is very strong. This is the beautiful interior. As you can see, this is a very clean first body buy and drive, AC vent, sound system, automatic transmission, cup holders, pigeonhole, and this is the button, the steering control working perfectly okay. This car is so clean, and this is an open roof. This is the back seat view. This is a 3 headrest. This is a very clean, extremely very clean 2010 model. This is tireless, and this car is going for 16.5 million naira to negotiate.
Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Of course, it's negotiable. Just give us a call and leave the rest. We'll definitely work with your budget. This is a Toyota RAV4 2010 model, blue color. This is the engine. The engine capacity of this car is very strong and reliable, and it's a V6 engine 2GR. This is the beautiful interior. As you can see, this is it. It's a milk interior, and the dashboard is black. This is the AC vent. This is the DVD. This is the sound system. This is the automatic transmission. This is the pigeonhole, and this is the button in the steering control working perfectly. And this is it. It has an open roof. This is the back seat view. This is the 3 headrests, and this is it. Toyota RAV4, the foreign use, the blue color, and this car is going for 16 million naira to negotiate.
Do you accept instrumental payment?
It depends whether the period of time you want to pay, because a lot of people will want to pay and keep your car for 6 months, and that won't be allowed because we are losing. So if you are paying instrumental, it should be within weeks or a month. This is a foreign used Toyota Camry LE, first body buy and drive, and this is the front bumper. This is the engine, and this is a 4-plug engine. This is the interior. This is it. This is dashboard. This is the AC vent. This is the DVD, cup holder, automatic transmission, pigeonhole, and this is the button in the steering control is working, and there's a sealed roof, 3 headrests, and this is it. There's no AC vent. First body, and it's LE version, and there's no work to be done on it, and this car is going for 14.5 million naira to negotiate.
What's the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership?
The cheapest car in my dealership is about 6.5 million naira. You can afford it. This is a foreign used Toyota Camry 2010 model, silver color. It's a 4-plug engine. Oh my god, this is a beautiful interior. It's a black interior. I love black. This is the dashboard. This is the AC vent. This is the DVD, automatic transmission, the cup holders, pigeonhole. The button in the steering control is working. It's a sealed roof. Oh my god, I love black. This is the back seat view. This is the 3 headrests. This car is very clean. There's no AC vent. SE Sport Edition, and this car is going for 13.8 million naira to negotiate.
Why are the prices of foreign used cars and Nigerian fairly used cars going up these days?
The problem now is the dollar. The dollar rate is high, and the custom duty is high. So definitely, if you're an importer, you want to import and add your gain. But at the time you check the dollar rate and the duty rate, you see that the car price has gone up. So it's not our fault. It's affecting us too, but we don't have choice. Those are foreign used Toyota Camry, black color, first body buy and drive, and this is LE version of it. It's a 4-plug engine. The battery capacity is very strong. This is ash interior. The interior is extremely very clean. And this is the dashboard. This is the AC vent. This is the sound system, automatic transmission, cup holders, and this is the pigeonhole. The button in the steering control to add volume is working perfectly okay. It's a sealed roof. This is the back seat view. This is the 3 headrest. Very clean. There's no AC vents. Toyota Camry LE, first body buy and drive, and this car is going for 12.5 million naira to negotiate.
Do you do car delivery services to your buyers?
Yes, I deliver to the East, Ghana, different African country within, and we deliver to other states, interstate, different states. Just give us a call and we deliver.
Please ensure everything is working perfectly well before you make any payments. Are your cars stolen cars?
No, our cars are not stolen cars. We are verified. The light autos, we are verified, and I cannot scam people with my real face, you know.
For more interesting videos like this, like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
My name is Chiamaka. Welcome to Delight Automobile. If you need any of this car, you can contact me on this line 070 13 63 04 07. I repeat 070 13 63 04 07. That is my WhatsApp number, and my office address is located at Apapa, Maitu, Lagos, Nigeria.